hello to everyone. I'm Zoe Romano. I'm here today to this assembly together with Costantina Bongiorno, and I wanted to introduce you what we do. We've been working for some years around digital technologies and digital fabrication to empower people to take in their hands their objects, so not to be passive consumers, but try to understand what are the technology that we are using and how they can use it to empower themselves and find some solution for their specific needs. We opened up a Makerspace 2 years ago in Milan. We've been also collaborating with Arduino and the big community about open source and open hardware. And what we wanted to focus on, I mean, Milan is a particular city, and is sometimes when we talk about Milan, they say it's the city of design and fashion. Yes, it is, and we focus a lot on also in experimenting technology with involving textile and involving technology around textiles. So we're experimenting with, for example, smart textile and how to make sensor out of textiles. And in the next, what we like to do with this is to involve people to create and foster change. For example, this is the guy in the picture is one of our makers. He's called Antonino. He's visually impaired. And last year he came to our lab with his stick and he told us, I'm studying electronic engineering and I have difficulties in drawing the schematics of my circuits. And I think we could work together to find a solution. I have an idea that we could make little tiles with the symbol of the electronic circuit. So instead of drawing, we could make it as a domino tiles. And so together, so at the beginning he wanted to do it with a 3D printer because 3D printer is in the mind of everyone nowadays. But we said it's much faster if we do it on the laser cutting. We can engrave the symbols in the plexiglass, and so we worked together. We didn't do it for him, but we taught him how to use a software to create his own tiles, and we worked with him to make them. And actually now he's thinking to make a kit out of it to spread and to make it open source also for other people to use. But last year, and the idea is to also try to find this type of project that have more impact on people and society. So last year we did an application together with other partners, that is a couple of universities, a foundation and a community online. And the project, we did an application within CAPS, that is the Collective Awareness platform of the European Union. And the idea was to find a solution, actually to find bottom-up solution for community-driven care. And the idea is to actually being active at the crossing between what is community care, that is very alive in many communities around the world, with what happens in the maker community, in the open source field, and see what kind of solution could come up with starting a discourse around it. Here again, the idea is to, for example, we want to do this, first of all, starting a conversation that is going to happen online and offline, and involving people in them creating a similar solution like Antonino did. For example, these two girls, they were involved in a similar project and then created a bracelet to remember their grandfather to take the pill at the right moment. And they made it just to think about what were the needs that their grandparents could have. And this idea could happen in many different things. The project started 2 months ago, so we have the next 2 years. So if you want to collaborate with us, we are happy to hear, because we are actually starting a conversation with all the communities that are already active in these things. So thanks a lot, and see you.